Are you interested in tech support job and looking for a remote work from home opportunity? Here is a great opportunity for you. This is a work from home remote opportunity, and here you're not required to have a lot of experience. Only a little experience as technical support representative will work. And here you will be getting paid training and 100% work from home. You will be working at US work hours. Hello everyone, my name is Shweta and in this video I'm going to discuss about a technical support representative job for people who are located in India. The job is from Wing Assistant, and here this is a remote work from home opportunity. Here are the skills and qualifications that the company is looking for. You should have at least 1 year of experience as a technical support representative, and you should have excellent English communication skills, both written and verbal. Excellent phone, email, and instant messaging communication skills is required, and solid organizational and time management skills. You should be tech savvy and familiar with current technologies like desktop sharing, cloud services, CRM, and VoIP. You should have experience with word processing software and spreadsheets like MS Office. You should have knowledge of online calendars and scheduling like Google Calendar. You should be proactive, confident, and able to work on a graveyard shift. Here are some of the technical requirements. So as a remote worker, here are some of the technical requirements that the company has mentioned. So to start working as a technical support representative from home, you should have USB headset with noise cancellation feature. You should have working webcam. Main and backup computer should have at least 1.8 gigahertz processors with at least 4 GB RAM. The main internet service speed should be 25 Mbps wired connection, whereas backup internet service speed should be at least 10 Mbps. Now here are some of the benefits that the company has mentioned. As a technical support representative, you will be getting performance incentives, job security and stability. You will be provided paid training, upskilling opportunities, and 100% work from home. You should have supportive team, opportunities for career growth, fun work environment, holiday and overtime pay. And you will be working as per US work hours, 20 to 40 hours per week. And this is a remote opportunity, 100% remote job. The company has not disclosed the salary. However, it will be based on your skills and experience. Now let's check out about the roles and responsibilities that you can expect working as a technical support representative. So as a technical support representative, need to you need to troubleshoot IT issues. So for example, how do I log in, reset password, remote access trackers not working, etc. You will be providing tech support through phone, email, and chat. You will be helping provide update and regularly send out invoices. You will be guiding customers through the initial stages of interaction with the platform or product. You will be assisting in the onboarding of customers onto the platform by creating workflows, and FAQs. You need to document customer interactions in the CRM and keep records up to date. You need to use the client's ticket system to track service requests and customer feedback. So if you're interested in tech support job, you can apply, and here's the application form. You can fill up the application form and attach your resume here. Provide your name, email ID, phone number, current location, current company where you're working, LinkedIn profile, and who referred you to this position. Enter their first name and last name, and then website, blog, or portfolio link. So you can provide the link if you have. Otherwise, you can leave these boxes, and then you need to provide your desired salary. What is your earliest start date? The company wants you to start immediately, so it would be good if you can start as soon as possible. And can you work at weekends? You need to provide here. What experience level do you have for this position that you have to provide? How did you hear about this position? And are you currently employed or working on any projects? If you are currently employed, what is your notice period? And have you worked for Wing Assistant before? During what time of the day can you work? Wing assistant, Wing assistants are enrolled in a screen monitoring. So the company used to enroll their employees on for a screen monitoring program for quality assurance purposes. So, are you okay with the arrangement? And are you open to helping clients with standard virtual assistant or admin tasks in addition to the specialized tasks associated with the role? And would you be willing to make the phone calls on behalf of the client as needed if required? And you have to provide everything. You have to provide all the answers, and then here you have to provide the information related to your internet and computer specifications. You can upload your Word files here. So you can take the screenshot of your main internet download and upload speeds, and then you can upload a screenshot of your backup internet download and upload speeds, and your computer specifications also. You can upload all the files and then provide additional information if you have any, and then submit the application form. So this is a simple application form, and if you think that you could be a good fit for this position, you can apply for the job. If you get qualified, you will be invited to take the assessment and scheduled for an interview. So only qualified candidates will be invited. That you can also pass on this vacancy to your friends or colleagues, and earn through affiliate marketing program as well. So yeah, go ahead and check out all the details before you apply for the job. And if you believe that you could be a good fit for this position, apply for the job. Thank you for listening.